TikTok Lite, the hidden cost of accessibility. A lightweight app designed for emerging markets but stripped of safety features billions of users depends on. So, the promise of global connectivity, 1 billion plus downloads across Africa, Asia, Latin America, rich user mainstream apps leave behind. It also have 20% less data, engaged for reduced data consumption, making it valuable on limited mobile plans, and 30 MB footprint down from 182 MB, optimized for older Android hardware and 2 GB to 3 GB network. The safety void, no AI content label, AI generated content, misinformation, and graphic video appear without warning, missing protective banners, and also truncated descriptions, shortened caption strips, vital context, and making deception easier. So there's restricted user agency, no comment filtering, offensive language, spam flood comment section with no way to block them, no screen time controls, but now there's a screen time control as added, and no restricted modes. User can create safer viewing environment, a feature available to users in wealthier markets. So a call for equity, technically feasible. Research confirms safety features are fully compatible with Lite's architecture. This is choice, not a constraint. A pattern of double standard. Users in global majority receive measurably fewer protection than their EU and US counterparts. The essential shift, platform must adopt universal safety standard, not market-specific shortcut that treats some users as less worthy of protection. But there you go, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed. If you have any more questions or concerns, you can always stop at the question below, guys, and we'll be happy to answer you as soon as possible. Anyways, guys, there you go. That's about it, and thank you, guys.